There we go. Oh yes. I don't care if you break your stock.
I'll run take the lid off it, Mitch.
The lid?
Yeah, see, because you ain't going to get the math.
Oh yeah, the lid comes off.
I said these bloody YouTubers, they make life hard for themselves for no reason.
I completely forgot. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Just want to start out with an apology if I look really ill or if I don't act normal. It's because I am very ill. But today I'm removing the ITG, I'm removing the crossover. They're off to a new home, which I'm sure we'll be very, very happy with. But they're coming off. I'm going back stock and we're going to see kind of what it does to my car. Being Revo Stage 2 of a whole stock intake system, probably not a smart idea, but I'm going to do it anyway. So the ITG's come off. That was really, really easy. Just that, literally bolt, undo that, pop that out, all done. I just need to undo this, which is kind of like where it just sits on. And then obviously I've got to do the crossover, which is slam panel off. I think it's called a slam panel. And then remove that bracket, remove it down there, and it should come off. But so far it's been really, really quick. So I'm just removing my kit now. So I've removed the grommet thing. It's kind of like a bracket that holds this cable tie on. And then obviously I'm going to put mine back to stock here. So that way I can obviously have the airbox in. So I need to do that. But in terms of everything else, that's pretty much it. So once the MAF sensor's out, just need to worry about these brackets and stuff. So once again, the ITG's come out of mine. And we've just popped it into his car now, so the ITG's in. We've got to pop his pipe back on here, and then we've got to do the crossover, which shouldn't take long at all. And then that'll be him with the ITG intake and crossover, so he's got the whole ITG system, which will be quite nice. I still need to do mine, but I'm still waiting for my engine to cool down a little bit because I had to do about 20 minutes driving to get here, so it's still a little bit hot, but it shouldn't take too long. Once we've done one, I mean the second one should be nice and simple. So window wipers are off. There's two 15mm nuts here, and then a bunch of clips here. And then, to my knowledge, there's little kind of rubber clips just up the top. So they kind of pull out there and here. And then this should, after a little wiggle, fly off. So once you've got that off, you've got some bolts just on the inside. I'll pick you guys up so you can see. Bolt here, bolt at the back over there somewhere. Lean you over there. And then there are also one here and one underneath that headlight over there. And then once you've done that, you can get to the crossover nice and easily, and it should be pretty quick from there. So that is all of the screws removed, so that then just pops off like this. Now obviously because I'm dumb and have bonnet struts, I now can't get it off, basically. So I'm going to bend it out, please. There we go. It's fine, right, that's off. And now I can get to my crossover, so we're going to go basically over here, we're going to go deep down into there, there's like a little 7mm I think down there somewhere, and remove the strap, which is just like here-ish. And then once the strap's off, we can replace it onto that car over there. So ITG is all installed on my mate's car, and we're basically going to fire it up now, and fingers crossed, she's alive. It is loud. So that's his car pretty much done. I'm left with a gaping giant hole and another gaping giant hole, which I plan on filling. So we now need to get the stock airbox back in. I can't remember how it came out because I've done the ITG like before, like starting YouTube basically. I need to get the stock airbox back in somehow and work out how that works. And then I need to get the crossover back in, which should be quite simple, I think. But we'll see about that. But yeah, hey, here we go. So we're going back stock. Right, stock airbox. You get the airbox. There you go. It's installed. How does it even fit into this gap? How is there something this big? I mean, this doesn't make sense. I mean, we'll just let it flop. Right. Map sensor. Careful with that. Jesus, it's like... Does this come off? I don't know how any of this works. Okay, we're gonna... Oh, there we go. Oh, yes. That needs to go down a bit. I don't care if you break your stock. I'm in. I'm not going to know if I'm in. I think I'm in.
Oh, do you think you're going to need to put a mass airflow?
Maybe I should do this. Oh my god, what is this?
You're going to orientate the lid off it, Mitch.
The lid?
Yeah, see, because you ain't going to get the math.
Oh yeah, the lid comes off.
Oh, I said these bloody YouTubers, they make life hard for themselves for no reason.
I completely forgot. I forgot. Hang on, that's off now. Will it just slide off? Take the lid off. These YouTubers, mate, they know what they're doing. They just force things into holes. Right. Gonna need to take the lid off, aren't I? Because it won't.
Something's got to come off. Something's got to come off.
Okay, we'll take the lid off. Right, so what we're gonna do, take the lid off, slide the MAF sensor in, pop that on, pop the lid back on, job's a good one. So, stock crossover going on because we want to make as little power as we possibly can. So, we're going to put that in here somewhere. And there you go, once again, installed. Cool, well done everyone. Okay, so the car is back stock. We got a stock intake, a stock hose thing, and a stock crossover. Let's start it up. Let's see how bad it sounds. It might sound okay because of the blast valve. That should still be dumping air into it, but it's not going to sound anything like that. I'm a little bit sad. So, I think it's called a scuttle tree actually.
So on the scale of 1 to 10, how sad are you now?
I'm very sad. I mean, I named my car Blue because of the sound, which Blue relates to Jurassic World, which relates to the little Velociraptor in Jurassic World, because I love dinosaurs. And that's a bit sad, but I did. That's why it's called Blue, because of the noise the ITG made. And now, no noises will be made again. Don't even know if I'm on camera. Am I on camera? Oh, I'm on camera. Thank you guys for watching. That's how you make your car slower. So we've now got the stock intake on. Like I said, you've got the weird pipe thing and then the crossover. I really don't know what that pipe's called. But thank you for watching. Sorry that I haven't been kind of as cheerful as I normally am. It might not have come across on camera. But anyway, that's that done. So yeah, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, so just a quick one. October the 1st, the competition ends, so make sure you're entered before then. You've got prizes from Autobeam, DC 3D Designs and Cals Customs UK, a bunch of prizes, 3 different winners, one for the Mark 7s, one for the Mark 8s and one for everyone. So make sure you're entered down below. Just wanted to quickly announce that. Also, I'll be away on October the 2nd, 3rd and 4th, which means the announcement video might be a little bit later, but I will stop entries on October the 1st and they'll be picked on October the 1st. So don't worry about that, the announcement will come, you guys will win your prizes. So anyway, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.